Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change gears in a Tesla Model 3. To begin, locate the gear selector stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. When you are ready to park, simply press the button on the very end of this stalk while the vehicle is stopped. It is important to always press the brake pedal when you are shifting out of park for safety. Now, let's talk about engaging reverse. To move your Tesla Model 3 backward, push the drive stalk all the way up and then release it. You can only shift into reverse when your vehicle is stopped or moving at less than 8 kilometers per hour. The rearview camera will automatically activate on your display, providing a clear view behind you. Next up is neutral. To put your Tesla Model 3 into neutral, briefly push the drive stalk either up or down to its first position. If features like auto steer are active, you will need to hold the stalk in that position for more than 1 second. Neutral disengages the drive wheels, allowing your car to roll freely, which is useful for situations like car washes. Finally, let's get your Tesla Model 3 moving forward in drive. To select drive, simply push the drive stalk all the way down and then release it. You can shift into drive when your vehicle is stopped or moving at less than 8 kilometers per hour in reverse. Remember, it is always a good practice to have your foot firmly on the brake pedal whenever you are shifting between any of these gear selections for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.